Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Dear students, welcome back to today's class. Today, before we start our English class, let us revise what you have learned in the previous class. Okay? Yes, we have started capital cursive letters. Capital cursive letters. So, did you practice them? Are you finding difficult or easy to learn and to write? So Mama will help you, okay, how to write, okay? Please to practice at home. So these are the letters you have learned in the previous class. Yes or no? M letter, N, A, and T and F. Okay? So with the T letter you can make a tree, F letter fish, and M letter mango, N letter with the net picture, and A letter apple. Okay? Yes. So today you are going to learn another 5 more letters. Okay? So before that, once again we will write. Okay? How to write these letters? These are the letters you have learned. Yes or no? Along with the small cursive letters also we have written there. Yes or no? Yes. So once again we will write. Okay? In 4-line copy. Yes? Very good. So starting from the point, corner. Okay? So small tick. Okay? And go up to red line. Come down straight. Go up again. And come down. And small tick. Okay? Yes. Then N letter. Small tick. Go up. Come down. Go up and small curve. Okay? Yes. Touching to the red line. Okay? And come back to blue line. Okay? Yes. Then you will write letter of A. Small tick. Go up. Come down. And go up with the same line. Make a round here. And touch to the blue line. Yes. Then letter of T. Starting from the red line, below the red line, little curve, small curve, and come down straightly, a little curve here. Okay? Yes. And letter of F. Okay? Below the red line, okay? Small curve, come down straight, and little curve, and in the middle also small S type curve. Okay? Yes. These are the letters of M, N, A, T and F. Okay? Yes. And today you are going to learn 5 more capital cursive letters. They are here. They are here. You see? H, K, C, O and Q. Are you able to see? Yes. So with the capital cursive letters and the small cursive letters also written there. Okay? Yes. So we will start with H letter. Okay? Yes. Starting from the red line. Okay? Yes. Small tick here. Okay? And sleeping line and come down straightly. Okay? And little curve. Then one more straight line here and go up the same line make a round here and touch to the blue line. Okay, that is H letter. Okay, yes. Then same way you will write the letter of K. Small tick here, sleeping line, come down straight and little curve. Okay, then come up again, go up, come down from the same line, touch the blue line and come down again and little curve. Okay, yes. Then C letter. Little go straight up to the red line, little curve, come back with the same line, come down, small half circle like and little curve. Okay, yes. Then same way O letter. Go up from the corner starting and make little curve, come back with and make a round, go up, then small round it inside and touch to the red line. Okay, yes. Then Q letter. Same way as you have written the O letter. Okay, starting from the corner, go up, little curve, come down, go up with round shape and come down and from inside curve like this. Okay, yes. These are the letters of H, K, C, O, Q, capital cursive letters. So, please to practice these letters, okay, in your copy. And you can make picture of H, house we can make, K for kite, C for cat you can make, okay, or for orange you can make, Q for queen or quilt, okay, pictures you can make, okay, yes. Please to practice, okay, so that you will have a beautiful handwriting, okay, yes. And you are going to learn another use sound words of a, ta, at. A, ta, at. Okay? Yes. These are the a, ta, at sound words. Okay? So, a, ta, at. Ba, at. Ha, at. Ka, at. Na, at. Okay? So, but means in Hindi we say parantu. Okay? Yes. Ha, hut, hut. We have made here hut picture. Yes. Ka, at, cut. Cut means we take a knife to cut vegetable, fruits like that. Okay? Yes. Na, at, nut. There are different nuts are here. Did you see? Yes. These are the nuts. Okay? So once again. Ba, at, but. Ha, at, hut. Ka, at, cut. Na, at, nut. Okay? Yes. Please to learn these sounds of at sound words and also the capital cursive letters of H, K and C, O and Q. And not only that, and the previous class ka bhi M, N, A, T and F letter also you have to practice at home. Okay? Yes. So don't press and write with your pencil. Take lightly, catch properly your pencil and write flowingly. Okay? Yes. So, and you have learned also in the previous class a, na, unsound words. Yes or no? Yes. These are the na unsound words. Yes or no? Yes. Ba and bun, fa and fun, ga and gun, ra and run, sa and sun. Okay? Yes. And also you have learned up sound words. Do you remember? Yes. Ka ab kab, ha ab hub, ra ab rub, ta ab tub. Okay? Yes. And also you learned ag sound words. Yes or no? Yes. Ba ag bug, da ag duck, ma ag mug, ra ag rug, ha ag hug, ja ag jug. Okay? These are the U sound words you have learned. Okay? Please to practice them. Learn them, their sounds. Okay? Yes. So have a nice day. See you in the next class. Okay? Yes.